Are you looking to eat healthy? Health to me isn't just about the body, it's also about the brain and our mood. Our diet has a huge impact on how we feel. And to achieve well-being and age healthily, we not only need to eat balanced meals with lots of different plants, but we also want to enjoy what we eat. Do you think you're eating enough fibre? It's very likely that you're not. The average adult in the UK is still missing 40% of the daily recommended intake of fibre, which should be around 30 grams a day. Truth is, to meet these requirements, we definitely need to be eating 5 fruit and veg a day, and every meal should include a high amount of fibre. So why is it so important? Well, first of all, it just helps us digest every single other nutrient we eat and allows us to get the most out of our food. Improving your health without eating enough fibre is a bit like trying to build a house of cards on a wonky table. Aside from that, it also slows down the release of sugar from food, keeping us energized for longer, makes us feel full, supports the immune system, improves the health of our digestive system, and feeds our gut microbiome, which in turn supports our physical and mental health. If that sounds great in principle, but you don't know where to start and struggle with ideas for what to cook, then that's where I come in. If you're new to my channel, I'm a trained chef with a degree in food science and nutrition and a strange obsession with fruit and vegetables. I've put together a series of cookbooks designed to help you eat over 30 different plants a week with weekly menus including easy breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. So if all these meals look like a bit of you, check out the brand new spring volume. It's full of delicious recipes to make the most of the produce in season right now, and you can buy it for only $3.99 on Amazon.